Classic Savory Deviled Eggs. Get ready to elevate your appetizer game with a timeless favorite that never fails to impress, Classic Savory Deviled Eggs. These delectable treats are not just ordinary eggs, they are creamy, flavorful bites of culinary delight that are perfect for parties, gatherings, or simply indulging in a savory snack. Our recipe yields 12 deviled egg halves, serving 6 people with 2 halves each, making it ideal for sharing and savoring every flavorful bite. Ingredients: 6 large eggs, 2 tablespoons mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon finely chopped fresh chives, plus extra for garnish, half teaspoon white vinegar, half teaspoon Worcestershire sauce, salt and black pepper to taste, paprika for garnish. Optional, finely chopped fresh parsley or dill for garnish. Instructions: hard boil the eggs. Place the eggs in a single layer in a saucepan and cover them with cold water, about 1 inch above the eggs. Bring the water to a boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, cover the saucepan and remove it from heat. Let the eggs sit in the hot water for 10 to 12 minutes for large eggs, adjust time for smaller or larger eggs. Then, transfer the eggs to an ice bath to cool completely before peeling. Peel and halve the eggs. Gently tap each cooled egg on a hard surface to crack the shell, then peel under cool running water to ease the process. Carefully slice the eggs in half lengthwise, ensuring the yolks remain intact. Remove the yolks and place them in a separate bowl. Prepare the filling. Mash the egg yolks with a fork until they are smooth and free of lumps. Add mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, chopped chives, white vinegar, Worcestershire sauce, salt, and pepper to the mashed yolks. Mix until well combined and creamy. Adjust seasoning to taste. Fill the egg halves, spoon or pipe the yolk mixture evenly into the egg white halves, creating a smooth and attractive mound. You can use a pastry bag fitted with a star tip for a decorative touch. Garnish and chill. Sprinkle paprika lightly over the filled eggs for a pop of color and classic flavor. Garnish with additional chopped chives, parsley, or dill for added freshness and visual appeal. Chill and serve. Cover the deviled eggs and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes to allow the flavors to meld and the filling to set. Serve chilled on a platter and watch them disappear as guests indulge in this irresistible appetizer. Why you'll love it. Classic Savory Deviled Eggs are a timeless crowd pleaser that combines creamy textures with zesty flavors in each bite. The richness of the egg yolks mixed with mayonnaise and mustard creates a velvety filling that contrasts beautifully with the slight tang of vinegar and Worcestershire sauce. The fresh herbs add a burst of green and aromatic notes, making each deviled egg a miniature work of culinary art. These eggs are not just for parties, they are perfect for elevating everyday meals or as a satisfying snack any time of day. Plus, they are incredibly customizable. Add a dash of hot sauce for a spicy kick or experiment with different herbs and spices to suit your taste preferences. Subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes, cooking tips, and culinary inspirations to enhance your kitchen adventures. Join our community of food enthusiasts and discover new ways to delight your taste buds.